sky, feathers bright and voices free, under the sun so happily. Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, Tweedle You Tweedle Me, Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, singing my blessings so happily. The first bird chirps a melody, God's love shines like the morning sea, in every note and every tone, reminding us we're not alone. Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, Tweedle You Tweedle Me, Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, singing my blessings so happily. Second bird whistles loud and clear, God's gifts are always near. Then each sunrise and each nightfall, we feel blessed, one and all. Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, Tweedle You Tweedle Me, Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, singing my blessings so happily. Tweedle you, tweedle me, Tweedle Doo Tweedle Dee, singing my blessings